Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you some video clips swimming with dolphins. Actually, Typhoon number 6 caused heavy rain during our summer vacation trip to Izu. We couldn't get out of the hotel for 3 days. On the 4th day on the way back to Tokyo, my kids enjoyed swimming with dolphins. However, the weather was still not good and we boarded the ship in a sudden heavy rain. It was horrible. Everyone on the ship was like, what are we doing? It was like a water bucket challenge. We were all wet. Actually, the boarding experience was in the package of swimming with dolphins, so we had no choice. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Anyone ever tried swimming with dolphins? Let me know in the comments field. I hope you enjoyed this video.
動きにくいけど、お兄ちゃんかっこいい。
かっこいいね。できたね。
呼ばれる技ですね。いことになりました。びしょびしょです。楽しかったですか？ はい。で、
そうドルフィン。あそこに
5分3分の